Sometimes we receive a CAD drawing from the client or a customer in which the properties of the layers are not matching with our standards. In this case, we are having layer translation tool which will help us to modify the name of the layer in simple steps. Now I will change these layer names to my standard layers. From Manage tab, CAD Standard panel, click on Layer Translator. From this window, click on Load and select the standard file and click on Open. Now all the layers from standard file is loaded in this panel. Now click on Map Same. It will automatically map the same named layers. After this, we need to map the remaining layers manually by selecting one by one. After finishing this, directly click on Translate. Now it is asking translate and save mapping information or translate only. In case if you are receiving the drawings from daily basis from the same vendor, you can save this mapping information as a standard file. So name the file and click on Save. Now the name of the layers in this drawing is modified to my standard layer names. And if you want to modify the other styles like dimensions, text and leader styles, you can watch my previous video. I have given the link in the description, and also you can click on this I button to watch that video. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more useful video on AutoCAD.